I must say it's a very, very good direction that GWM has taken with regards to putting a new V8 motor, specifically when you look at where I'm from, South Africa. South Africa like powerful motors, powerful engines, and it will definitely work, and it will be something like a showstopper and something new in the market space.
Well, it's quite surprising to see a V8 engine here, because in the world where everything goes electric, to see a V8, a real V8 engine is a pure surprise. I personally do love V8 engines, and I do think that we all need big displacement engines in vehicles like those, big, heavy, and not too literal like in line 4, only V8. No replacement for displacement.
GWM, go with more.